Failed. Such strong words, huh? Today, let me share with you the many failures of my life. Maybe we'll need a coffee for that. Growing up, I always wanted to be an entrepreneur. My parents have their own business. Most of my family members run their own companies too. Many of my friends own their own business as well. I always loved the idea of being your own boss and having created something that is your own. So I started my first business at the age of 19. I was doing direct selling. I was promoting health and beauty products mostly. I worked hard. I tried my best I could with this business, but eventually the business was not working for me. It was not my cup of tea and it failed. At the age of 22, I started my second business. This time I was doing network marketing. I enjoyed what I did. I liked how it was. I put my whole heart and soul in it. But I reached a point in this business where I realized it's not my cup of tea as well. It's not something I wanted to build for a long term. So it was recorded as yet another failure in my life. And then at the age of 24, I decided to start my own lipstick production. I thought this time I found the business for me and I was so excited. And guess what happened this time? Yes, I failed again. With each failure, I became more stressed and depressed. I lost all of my confidence in those years. I went back to concentrating on my studies because I was completing my final year degree during that time, but I was so lost. I felt like I was behind of time compared to everyone else. It just felt like I was in the wrong time frame, wrong mindset, a totally wrong setting. I felt so lost and I was not sure what I wanted in life anymore. Even sitting for my final year exams became too scary because the thought of not making it was something that I've gone through too many times. So it was just not something I could bear again. But I did well. I worked hard for my degree, for my thesis, my final year. I worked hard, I got a job. I worked hard at my job. So I continued doing it that way and I felt very safe. My 2 years went on like this. Then came a point where I became very comfortable with the life I was living. Everything was good. I loved the job I was doing. I loved the people that surrounded me. And I felt like I found a new me. But that creative ideas in my mind, that dreams, that goals, the things that I always wanted for myself, they kept knocking on the door every once or twice. But whenever the idea came to me, the fears would come back. The fears of failing would just keep rushing in and keep telling me that no, you're not going to make it again. There was a battle going on inside of me. One part of me wanted to run after all the things that I always wanted, and the other part just was too comfortable with whatever I had and just wanted to sit on a couch and watch Netflix all day. So there was these two parts battling inside of me, and I realized that there was something in the past, that failures that really caught on me. So I wanted to go back and look into them and see what were they. I knew I had to change my mindset. So I decided to look closer at my failures and see, were they really failures?
The first business gave me a really good friend and connected me to someone who treats me like his daughter. They connected me to my creative side. This business and these people made me realize I'm more of a creative person than a business person. The second business gave me confidence to speak on stages. It made me realize I have a voice, a strong one. And the most beautiful blessing came through this business. I met the man of my dreams. The third business made me realize what I'm most passionate about, creating and being creative. That made my soul happy.
And finally, bouncing back from the fear of not being able to start something new, I started my YouTube channel.
I don't look at my failures as failures because I woke up one day and realized how much I gained through them, how much of experience they gave me at such a young age. Those failures are the reason I am what I am today. After watching this, I really hope you take 5 minutes to think, what have you learned from your failures? List them down or do whatever you need to do and see what you have learned or gained from them. There is definitely something that has brought you to a better path, or there is something that has made you more knowledgeable and experienced in the path that you are at. If you have done that exercise before, or once you do it after watching this, leave me some comments and let me know what are the lessons, what are the things you have learned from your failures. So we all know that there is definitely something to gain from the things that never worked out for us.